Hello. All right, so today's video is going to be how we keep healthy as business owners that rarely, if any, have extra time lying around. So for the longest time, I've been juicing, and I usually juice for the most part when I am going to be in meditation for a while, and meditation helps me get clarity and more alignment with what it is I'm desiring in my business. So I'm just going to show you guys really quick what it is that I use to juice, and then what I stick in my juice, and then what it does for me, and what it provides as an entrepreneur and somebody that is on their spiritual journey. And as always, I just want to share that building a business is spiritual. And so the biggest strategy and key component that you will need is, in fact, you as a business owner. Okay, here is a new juicer that I recently bought, and this was a birthday gift. And this is the hunka we're gonna watch get down with the juice, and let's see how it goes. Okay, it took me a minute to unpack this, but I'm figuring this out, and I think the way I approach this is the same way I approach business. You kind of just gotta figure it out. So I think I figured out most of these pieces here. So here's the machine, and I'm gonna figure this baby out here, and then I'll show you what it is I put in my juice. Okay, last part. So I chopped up some veggies yesterday, so I put in oranges, apples, and a couple of other things, but this is mainly what I put in here. So yeah, let's start juicing. Hi there, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel and subscribing. Make sure to tell your mama, tell your friends, tell everybody, because we're talking about relationships, business, and spirituality, the three top things that grow you as a human being. So if you're excited as much as I am, make sure to subscribe. See you guys later, bye.